Thursday, January 25th. We got in some new things today, but we also got a reorder in. So I want to remind you, those of you who were interested in getting the latest Wonderland's kit, the New Year's ball, the family of Bernard Bennett is invited to attend the Netherfield Park. I think this is based on books, right? And this is part of the season, right? It's called the Tours of the Season Yarn Club. This is from Frabjous Fibers, Wonderland Yarns. This is the January color, and we got in we have 4 for sale. I have one on hold for somebody. I think there are 4 for sale, so let us know if you are interested in that. Then we've gotten in some crochet kits, which are sort of very different and fun, from Rico Designs. We have, I also ordered a gray one. It hasn't come yet. But these Easter baskets are adorable. Check it out. Oh, here, like that. This one is like a pink, a dusty pink with the bow and the ears. And this one is a pastel yellow with little flowers. How cute is that? These are $35 a piece. They have all the yarn, everything you need. And it includes all the yarn, crochet hook, embroidery needle, and instructions. So very cute. Love these. Have those. And then this is fun. This is a crochet along, a spring crochet along from the same company, Rico. It's Rico Rumi. And this is a beautiful box. And inside there are 21 skeins of yarn. And it starts in, I will read it to you and I'll show you what's on the inside. So, whoops. Everything's falling. What? So is my camera. All right. Whoa. All right. This, a little crooked. This is what it says. This is the Rico Rumi Spring Crochet Along Kit number 1. 7 adorable Rico Rumi characters spread spring vibes from the 22nd of March and for the following 7 weeks. Take part and download your brand new free pattern from the Rico Designs website and share your makes. So it starts, the first pattern will be released on the 22nd of March, and then every week after for 7 weeks. This is the box. It's beautiful, and it pulls out like a drawer. Check this out. And you have 21 skeins of yarn to make all these characters, and I'll tell you about all the characters. So let me get this pulled apart so you can see what's in here. There you go. So 21 skeins of yarn, and you will get the clues online, right, when you go to the website. And what you are going to be crocheting, where is my, what am I looking for? Well, that's all right. I think I dropped it. Oh, here it is. Ding, ding. Oh, I can't get to it. All right. I'm more organized than this looks like. All right. So all of the critters, I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 designs. Right. So if you can see up close and personal, this is a sailor. It all has a nautical theme. This is the fisherman. The fisherman, 2 little goldfish. This is a little map. This is a turtle. This is a sailor teddy bear. This is a narwhal. This is a female pirate. And this is a walrus. How cute are those? This is a little bit bigger picture of the narwhal. A little bit bigger picture of the pirate. And a little bit bigger picture of the sailor and the fish. The kit is $95. That's all that yarn, 21 skeins, and all those patterns. So it will be very, very fun. All right? I'm excited about it. And then you have that beautiful box left over. What? Sounds amazing. All right, I told you about the Wonderland yarns. That's back in. What else do I need to tell you? I hope you've gotten your Arnie and Carlos. The Arnie and Carlos is still available. All of their patterns are 70% off until through tomorrow. So you have the rest of today and tomorrow to do that Arnie and Carlos. And there are some very cool patterns. Let me show you a couple that I got. I got their mittens. I got this very cute tiger. That, of course, will be for Owie, I'm sure. And then this very cute rabbit. So this is the palm, and this is the back of the hand. I'm going to pick some bright colors, some happy colors. So anyway, those are just two. Tons and tons of ferrule, all kinds of stuff. All right, I think that's all I have for you today. I'm sorry I was so disorganized. Oh well. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.